Good afternoon, WestCon. I am student meteorologist Zachary Duhaime. The forecast update for Wednesday, the 20th of September, and another day and another cloudy day on hand right here. We have lots of clouds out there around 4 o'clock on this Wednesday afternoon. That's because Jose, the tropical storm, is still nearby. It's going to sit there for a few days. I'm going to explain why in a second. But once it moves along, we're going to have a summer-like warmth for the first week of fall. We're talking about maybe mid to upper 80s come Sunday afternoon. Just crazy, folks, I know. And yes, we're still watching Major Hurricane Maria impacted Puerto Rico this morning. Right now, currently, the entire island is 100% without a power. So that just goes to show you how much power that storm had. I believe it made landfall as Category 4. So luckily, we don't have to deal with that around here. These are actually rain bands at Cape Cod. This has to do with Tropical Storm Jose. But right here in Connecticut, we're looking mainly dry with maybe a few sprinkles just in the northeast hills as the storm is far enough away. But you can see the satellite view. You definitely see where that storm is just south and east of Nantucket. But just for us in Danbury, and some passing clouds at times. You can see these kind of bands of clouds rotate around the storm. But overall, the next few days, just expect some breezy conditions with an increasing chance to see some sun, which is the good news because we've been under cloudy skies over the past several days. Future cache for the clouds. Thursday, we see some more sun than today. On a Wednesday, Friday looks like more of the sunny day. Over the past 4 or 5 days, you can see, look at the future satellite right here. The dark white shading, or the bright white shading, I should say, indicates lots of clouds. But Connecticut, you're seeing just mostly sunny skies with some patchy clouds around. So I expect a lot of sun for the day on Friday, especially Friday afternoon once that storm pulls away. But yes, it's stuck to our south, unfortunately, for the next 4 or 5 days. So Jose is going to kind of bring some breezy conditions and a few passing clouds at times, but not expecting any rain. We can use the rain. We haven't really seen much rain in the past week or two, but unfortunately, in this case, we're not going to see any rain from this system. But yes, what we're going to see from the system, increasing temperatures. Once it moves away, we're going to see a big ridge building. We're talking about mid to upper 80s likely for the day on Sunday. But what's going on and why is this happening? We have a big ridge building in, so a big push in the jet stream is going to bring in a nice warm air. Connecticut's right here. So again, that's how we're going to get our temperatures to approach maybe the 90-degree mark by Sunday and into Monday of next week. But one thing that's not so hot is this hurricane right here. We had Major Hurricane Maria. Again, there's Puerto Rico, made landfall this morning. 100% of the island without power, so expect some devastating pictures out of that area. And look where it's going to go over the next 4 or 5 days. The track takes it kind of just to the east of the east coast of the United States, but here's a corner of uncertainty by Monday. You can see it's approaching the Carolina coastline, so we have to keep a close eye on this storm over the next week with our student meteorologist. We'll be updating this forecast throughout the next several days with the latest data that comes out. Tonight's forecast, mid-60s, mainly cloudy, northwest wind, or north wind, I should say, 10 to 15 miles per hour for the day. Tomorrow, an improvement from today. We're talking about highs near 80 degrees. Still breezy though, north wind 10 to 15, gusting to 20. But overall, not a bad looking day compared to the last several days. In that 5-day forecast, temperatures go up, not go down. The first day of fall officially is Friday afternoon. But look, temperatures go in the reverse. They go up to maybe the mid to upper 80s, I should say, by Sunday. And then a little bit cooler for Monday, but still highs near 80. We should be in the low to mid 70s. So a lot of warmth to talk about for the first few days of fall. I am student meteorologist Zachary Duhaime. Have a great rest of the week.